Good morning. I just wanted to touch bases with you and let you know that we're continue on the Unit 8 review. This is a learning experience for all of us, but hopefully by tonight or early tomorrow, I will have the Unit 8 review completely online on my YouTube channel. Check it out. It's 209 Math Connection. Anyways, I'm going to continue on with the Unit 8 review. So right now we are going to be looking at problem 4, 5, and 6. So I'm just going to write this down. So problem 4 wants us to find the measurement of angle 1. Problem 5 wants us to find the measurement of angle 2. And problem 6 wants us to find the measurement of angle 6. Which I'm thinking there is a typo the um, on this diagram in the packet because it says angle 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and instead of um, basically problem 6 saying measurement angle 6, we're going to make that the measurement of angle 3. So I know on your problem for number 6 says measurement angle 6, but it's a typo. We're looking for 3. All right, so we're going to be looking at the triangles, different components that we looked at in this lesson in Unit 8. Essentially, for the measurement at angle 1, we have a part of a triangle that has an angle off of it of 72 degrees in angle 1. When we look at this portion right here, if we drew like a little angle symbol, that right there is called a supplementary angle, meaning that angle 1, so the measurement of angle 1 plus the measurement of the other angle, or 72 degrees, essentially that's going to form a 180-degree angle. So that little angle right here that I drew, it means it's 180 degrees when you add angle 1, or the measurement of angle 1 and 72 together. So in order to find the measurement of angle 1, we're going to subtract 72 to both sides of this, and what's going to give us is the solution. So if we take 180 and subtract 72, that is going to give us 108 degrees. So the measurement of angle 1 is equal to 108 degrees. And again, it's because we knew that these two angles, angle 1 and 72, form a supplementary angle, which means that when you add them together, because it's a straight line, it equals 180 degrees. All right, so now for angle 2, I'm just going to fill in 108 degrees for the measurement angle 1. So now when we look at angle 2, we have this triangle right here. This triangle, I'm going to just draw it over here. We have 108 degrees, 38, and then we have the measurement angle 2. Well, when we add up all the angles in a triangle, there's a theorem that we've learned throughout Unit 8 that says that when you add those angles together, it equals 180 degrees. So it means that the measurement of angle 2 plus 108 degrees plus 38 degrees equals 180 degrees. So in order to solve for angle 2's measurement, we're going to combine like terms. So we're going to say 108 plus 38, that's 146. So we're going to have, let me just get this out of the way. We're going to have the measurement of angle 2 plus 146 degrees equals 180 degrees. And then we're just going to subtract 146 degrees to both sides of the equal sign to solve for the measurement of angle 2. So 180 minus 146 is 34 degrees. So that means the measurement of angle 2 is 34 degrees. Okay, so now we need to find the last problem. I'm going to just do it over here because we're running out of board space. For problem 6, we're looking at the measurement of angle 3. And again, we're doing the same exact type of problem. If we look at this triangle up here, we have 42 degrees, 72 degrees, and the measurement angle 3. Again, all of these angles, when you add them together, it equals 180 degrees. So we're going to have the measurement of angle 3 plus 42 degrees plus 72 degrees equals 180 degrees. We're going to combine like terms, so 72 plus 42 is going to be 114 degrees. And so we have the measurement of angle 3 plus 114 degrees equals 180 degrees. We're going to subtract 114 degrees on both sides, or from 180, to get the measurement of angle 3. And that's going to be 180 minus 114, which is 66 degrees. So angle 3 equals 66 degrees. So again, this is some properties of using algebra to find the measurement of different angles in a triangle based upon knowing specific properties like supplementary angles, and also that every angle in a triangle, all three of them, when you add them together, will equal 180 degrees. All right, so let's move on to the next problem. All right, so the next couple series of problems are just like what we just learned. I'm trying to pull it up on the Chromebook. Just give me 1 second. All right, so these problems, number 8 through 11, they look at this cool looking shape. It's pretty cool. Let me just draw it. So there's angle 6, 36 degrees. We have 42 right here, 5 and 4, and then 7, 28 degrees, and 57. All right, so for number 8, it wants us to find the measurement of angle 4. For number 9, it wants us to find the measurement of angle 5. For number 10, the measurement of angle 6. And I'm going to do number 11 over here, where it wants you to find the measurement of angle 7. So, essentially, we have to look at the problem like we just did during the last couple problems. For the measurement angle 4, as you can see from the diagram, I tried to draw it as best as I could. We have 28 degrees right here, 57 degrees right here, and the measurement angle 4. And we know that, again, when you add up all three of the angles in a triangle, it adds up to 180 degrees. So we're going to have the measurement of angle 4 plus 28 degrees plus 57 degrees equals 180 degrees. Again, we combine like terms, meaning we're going to add 28 and 57 together, and that gives us 85. So we know that the measurement of angle 4 plus 85 degrees equals 180. And then we're just going to subtract 85 to both sides, or subtract it from 180. So that means that the measurement of angle 4 is going to be 95 degrees. Another way you can look at it is you just take, since you know that all three of these angles add up to 180, you can just go 180 minus 28 minus 57, and that equals 95. I just wanted to show you algebraically how we set it up. So that's the measurement of angle 4. It's going to be 95 degrees. Now, it wants us to find the measurement of angle 5. Well, if we look, we have this line with an angle off of it. So we have angle 4 and angle 5. We know that it's a supplementary angle, meaning it equals 180. And we know that angle 4 is 95. So in order to get the measurement of angle 4 or 5, we're going to go 180 degrees, and we're going to subtract the measurement of angle 4, which is basically 95 degrees. So we're going to subtract 95 degrees. And so 180 minus 95 is going to give us 85 degrees. Awesome. All right. So now we're doing number 6. So we have 85 degrees for angle 5. And in order to get number 6, we got to find this angle right here of the triangle. We don't know what it is. So I'm going to draw this triangle down here. So we have 36 degrees, angle 6, and this unknown angle. We'll call it X, okay? However, we have angle 5 right here. And we know from the last problem that angle 5 equals 85 degrees. So in order to find this angle right here, what we're going to do is X is going to equal 180 degrees, because these two angles right here, angle 5 and this unknown angle, it forms again a straight line or a supplementary angle. So we know it equals 180 degrees. So if we take angle 5, which is going to be 85 degrees, we're going to take 180 and subtract 85, and that gives us 95 degrees. So that means that this X right here is 95 degrees. So now we could find the measurement of angle 6. So the measurement of angle 6 is just going to be 180 degrees minus this 95 degrees minus 36. So that is going to give us 49 degrees. So the measurement of angle 6 right here is going to give us 49 degrees. Awesome. And lastly, for angle 7, we're going to take 180 degrees and we're going to subtract 85 and 42 degrees, and that will give us the measurement angle 7. Again, 180 minus 85 and 42. And that's going to give us 53 degrees. So the measurement of angle 7 is 53 degrees. All right, so that is through problem 11. I'm going to make another video and post it for the next couple series of problems. Hopefully I'll be able to complete the majority of the problems in another video, but because I have class right now, I have to stop the video, and I will get the rest posted for you. Hopefully this helps. I really appreciate your willingness to learn through the YouTube channel. please reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns, and I will see you soon. Thank you.